Let's start. Today we will see how to implement image mapping in the HTML. An image mapping lets us map various areas over an image, and when a user clicks different areas of the image we can load various web pages accordingly. Let's see the code. This is our image tag. The useMap attribute is used as an ID of this image. Then we have used the map tag and mentioned the ID over here. Then we have called an area tag. The shape attribute is set to a rectangle. And we have specified some coordinates. And when the user clicks within this area, we load the woh.html file. Similarly, here we have used a circle shape and provided its coordinates. And when the user clicks within this area, we load the to.html file. Let's run this code in the browser. As you can see, when I click near the word IT, woh.html page gets loaded. And when I click near the word voila, the to.html page gets loaded. This is called as the image mapping. But how did I find the exact coordinates on this image? Let's open this image in the MS Paint. As you can see, when I hover the mouse over the image, we can see the coordinates over here. So for a rectangle around the word IT, I got coordinates from its left top and right bottom. And for a circle around the word voila, I got coordinates of the center point of the word voila first. Then I mentioned the radius of the circle over here. The image mapping can be done in various shapes like rectangle, circle, polygon. So that's it. That's how you can map an image in the HTML. Thank you.